so heavy. Wow, it's so big.
Yes!
Let's open it.
Yippee!
Wow! I wonder what's inside. Oh. Why is there so much? There's so many tires. Wow, there's endless amounts of parts. Parts here, parts there, parts everywhere. Ah!
Oh no!
Wow, this must be the cab. Wow, so big. This must be the sticker. It must be so pretty. Wow, this must be the manual, but oh, the manual's too hard. I don't think I can do this. Ah, I have a good solution. Let's use my construction vehicle.
Cool!
Let's do this.
Let's go!
Wow, the truck's frame is finished. Wow, look at this. Wow. Oh. Wow, the tires are finished. What color should we paint the cabin with? How about yellow? Or how about green? Or how about red? Or blue? Oh, okay, let's choose red.
Yes!
Wow, everything's complete. Wow. Wow, it's a giant headlight.
Cool!
Now let's make the truck.
Let's go!
Ooh. Whoa, it's all finished. Now let's do some tests. Let's turn on the engine. Wow. Now let's try pressing each of the buttons. Wow, so amazing. Now next button. Whoa! I wonder what the next button is. Wow, so cool! Now, next button. Wow, it looks like a very realistic truck. Now, let's go! Woohoo! It's so fun!
예준아! 예준아! 아빠 좀 도와줘!
Looks like Daddy's here.
어이구야. 맞네. 이거 어떻게 다 옮기지? 아우.
아빠! 나 불렀어?
예준아, 이거 좀 도와줘.
알았어, 오케이.
예준아, 이거를 저기까지 옮겨야 되는데. 어떡하지?
Daddy, wait here. I have a great idea. Aha, this will do.
아니 이게 뭐야? 이걸로 되겠어?
Dad, I think this will be enough.
그래 일단 옮겨보자. 야 이렇게 물이 많은데 갈 수 있을까?
Will this work or will it not?
자 일단 출발해보자. 고고!
Whoa, it's actually working! Wow, it's working! Wow! Wow, it's actually working!
우와, 저게 되네?
Whoa! Yeah!
예준아, 고마워. 땡큐. 아, 그리고 아빠 차에 예준이가 좋아할 만한 것이 있을 거야. 찾아봐.
어? 뭔데? 오, 뭘까? 오, this must be it. 오, 이게 뭘까? 오,
이게 뭐야?
it's so heavy. What is this? Wow, these tires are so huge. Ah, this must be the trailer. Aha, let's build it. Come on. Wow. Ah, so this is how you do it. Yeah, finish. Wow. Now let's connect it with the truck. Now let's test it out. Wow. What might I carry on this thing? Nah. Yeah. This will do. Let the tank be released. Now let's see how a tank operates on a trailer. Operation tank on the trailer complete. Wow! May the truck go, go, go!